Hi there, this is just a quick video to go over how you can check the progress made on your curriculum map or view a course summary of all your units, which you can do from the map completion page here. You can use this page to track your progress when creating your curriculum map, as it displays an overview of your entire map and how much content has been added into each section. You can use this view to see a stacked comparison of any given field across all of your units, and can see where some of your content may be lacking or needing further development. You can even click within the field to edit it directly, making it a valuable workspace for making adjustments across multiple units. If you want to take a deep look into one particular field, you can click on the Filters button and can choose what you want to see displayed. So, for example, if you only wanted to take a look at your assessments, you can filter just that section and it will display all of the content for that field across all of your units. And you can always change your filters so that you only display the information that's useful for the task you're working on at that given moment.